Ooh, my natural hair looks cute today. Yes. Hey guys, welcome back to Just Jamie. I'm Jamie, obviously. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're one of my recent subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Really appreciate it, you guys. So today I'm gonna be talking about my quick, easy quarantine makeup to impress your man, honey, to impress your woman, impress your dogs, your kids, that Zoom meeting you have, that Tinder date you have. You wanna look cute, put together, like you didn't try, but you did try. So if you wanna keep on watching. So this is gonna be a really quick makeup routine that I've been doing honestly for a very long time. And it's really handy for right now, especially when we're all home. You know, we want a little pick me up. You want to feel pretty, to impress, you know?
Yes.
You want to feel cute.
Oh, yes, honey, work. Wow.
It's really important that, you know, we still take care of ourselves during this time. So I'm in no way a makeup artist. This is what works for me. It might not work for you. Yeah, so if you want to keep on watching, this is the look we're going to be doing today.
Wow, wow, wow. So beautiful.
I like this.
Just came out of the shower, ready to go.
Okay, let's get this started. So the only thing I've done so far is my eyebrows.
Yep.
Honestly, it takes way too long to get your brows done, so I just kind of did them really quickly. If you guys do want me to show you a video how to do my eyebrows, I can certainly do that. Okay, so first thing first, you gotta get yourself a drink, honey, whether it be a glass of wine, some water, some tea, whatever you drink, you gotta get yourself hydrated. It's super important. Just gotta get ready for later tonight. I don't think anything is happening tonight. When you're ready, we can start. I don't do a lot with my brows. I keep it pretty simple. I use the Benefit My Precisely brow pencil in number 4. I have tried the other shades. Number 4 is not as black because nobody wants caterpillars for brows. It's not cute. That look needs to stay back in 2018, honey. We're in 2020. We're gonna start strong. I like my brows to look natural but bushy. Right now they look a little crazy because obviously I've gotten my brows done in 4 months. Cause yo girl's lazy. I don't know why I'm talking about my brows for so long, and this eyebrow gel literally is amazing. It's the 24-hour brow setter by Benefit as well. I love this brush. I just find it to be really, ooh, that is goopy, honey. And the brush to be really like sharp, and I find it just creates really nice like hair-like strokes.
Hey.
Yes, guys, I'm gonna be looking over there a lot because my ghetto-ass camera setup is over there. We're going to hydrate our skin.
Okay.
Whew. So I do want to say that people think I have perfect skin. See, I literally don't. I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth. I have little scars right here. I have a little mini breakout right there. You know, I have little scars here. It's just from like years of like picking my face when I shouldn't be. We're not all one color. I find like I'm 50 shades of brown just because that's just how my skin is. Foundation is very, very hard to find. That is another topic. We're not gonna visit that right now. I have 40 subscribers now, yay! So the next thing we're gonna do is apply Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. And this product is amazing. I've had this for like 2 years. It's lasted me so long. So you just wanna apply this product on the highest points of your face. So right there, on your chin and down your nose. Just remember, this is gonna be a quick phase because we trying to rush, we trying to get ready for our man, woman, monkey, for our dogs, whatever. You wanna be fast, you wanna be discreet, you wanna look like you didn't try it, but you tried. So then blend, blend, blend. I'm just using A MAC brush, I think it's 130. It is literally so old.
Blend, blend. Keep on blending.
So applying that Fix Plus really helps your skin because I just find it makes your makeup just kind of glide on a little bit easier and it just looks smoother. It doesn't look so dry or cakey. Okay, so that's done. The next step would be concealer. I'm just going to wear concealer and because remember, this is gonna be a 5-minute face. We got no time. We're gonna rush. We got places to go.
But do we though?
We don't have places to go. So the concealer I'm gonna be using today this is so dirty. RMS, it's I think a natural brand. So the color that I'm gonna be using today, I have 2 of them. Number 55 and number 66. So I like to use my hands, you know, little fingers.
Ooh.
So you wanna dab, 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 and then just apply to your dark circles. Cover last night's mistake, honey. Cover that drink you've been drinking.
Work.
That no sleep. Watching Netflix all day, all night. I don't know if you guys see, I'm just like literally patting. Apply a little more.
Just keep on blending. Blend your life away.
The next thing I'm gonna do is cover up some of the hyperpigmentation that I have and also from breakouts or pimples.
Yep. Still blending away.
So this is the other color I was talking about. This is shade 66. Just kind of want to dab a little bit. This shade with the other shade makes everything really seamless. So then you just want to start blending with your brush. I'm going to put a little bit of Fix Plus so that it kind of blends a little bit easier.
Imagine if we took a shot every time I said blend.
And what I love about this concealer is that it looks like my skin because the coverage is so light. It just looks really natural.
Okay. Yep.
I like to use the YSL translucent powder to set my under eye. I don't know how to pronounce this name, so I'm not going to pretend I know how to speak French. No Francais for me, honey, so. As you can see, I do prefer the matte side over the glowy side just because I feel like it's too much glow. I mean, we want to be shining, but I don't want to be shining that much. Now, I know some people like to bake their under eye. I don't do stuff like that. Like, I don't even bake at home. I'm not gonna bake my under eye. Honestly, it just takes way too long. Makeup look too matte, too crusty. We don't want to be a crusty bitch.
No,
we don't
honey.
need under eye crustiness. It looks dry, it looks crackly. So if baking is for you, honey, you keep on baking. I'm not baking. So the product I like to use to contour bronze is the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in Truffle. Yes, I feel like I learned how to contour when I got fat. You want to look like you've been chilling by the window, soaking up that sun, getting those rays, chilling, tanning. You're just naturally so bronzed. There's nothing natural about this. I'm still wearing makeup. I know some girls love to contour their cheeks to the gods, highlight to the gods. I don't do that. Make the fishy face. And you just want to blend, blend, blend.
Okay, let's have a shot.
We look curvaceous. So Miss Groovy is gonna go on my cheeks. This blush is by MAC. It is so dirty. Okay, no one cares. Now tap, tap, tap. And then smile really hard for that camera. Now thinking about your night later, that meeting.
Oh, she's creamy.
I have to wear some blush. Rich in life, rich in color. Next thing we're gonna do is highlight. Using cream products, highlighters, you want to apply it to eyes points of your face.
Shining, 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 shining.
It's cute. So I'm gonna put a little bit of powder.
This is the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Powder.
All we have left to do, guys, is a little bit of oil and some mascara, and we're good to go.
But do you think I'm cute? Yes.
I went off camera, put my mascara on. I'm using the Benefit Their Real Mascara. Love the brush. Really like spiky, I don't know if you guys can tell. And it just like picks up all of my lash hairs. Lashes. Makes my eyes pop more. I'm gonna use a lip oil today. I'll be right back.
Oh, juicy juice.
I love this lip product. It's called the Crushed Oil Infused Gloss from Bobbi Brown. It's called Forever Chill. It's like the perfect brown for my skin tone. I know I use a bunch of products to do like a quick makeup look, but if you notice, I use a little bit of everything and very light layers to create a very natural look. For some of you guys, this look might be a little too glowy, but I love glowing skin. It looks more youthful and healthy. So guys, time for a little story time, talking about glowy skin. A few months ago, in the dead of winter, I was going to work, I called a Lyft, I am waiting peacefully, nice sunny day, and I get in the Lyft. The guy's like, "Miss, are you okay?" I'm like, "Yeah, everything is good." So we're driving. Everything is fine. He goes, "Oh, you look like you're sweating. Are you okay? Do you want me to roll down the windows for you? Did you need some water?" I was like, "Excuse me? Sir, I'm fine." He kept saying I look sweaty. "No, sir, this is the glow. Like, I'm not sweaty." Why are you confused? So I apparently look sweaty.
Yep.
So if you want to do this sweaty look today, let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. It means a lot to me. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, send me some messages, write down some comments below. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys want to watch for future videos? Give me some ideas. It's a lot more work than people think it is. And if you want to keep talking, my Instagram is justjamiep. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Don't forget to hit that notification bell for future videos. Thank you so much, guys. Have an amazing day.